I bet you didn't know Spotify just made music discovery a whole lot easier. Spotify has rolled out a suite of new features, making your music experience more personal and intuitive than ever before. For premium users, the Q feature now offers shuffle, smart shuffle, repeat, and even a sleep timer. But that's not all. Song recommendations now appear after your queued tracks, allowing for a seamless listening flow. And coming soon, the snooze feature will let you temporarily remove tracks from recommendations. Managing your playlist on mobile is now a breeze. Add tracks, sort them, edit titles, and create custom cover art with ease. You can even filter your liked songs by genre to build the perfect playlist. Plus, the Create button has been moved to the bottom right corner, giving you quick access to playlist creation, collaboration features, and AI-powered playlist generation. Spotify's latest update is all about giving you more control over your music discovery and listening experience. Dive in and explore these exciting new tools today.